practical process begins with asana. Asana. Once when you have this in your mind, then you have to have an asana for these qualities to nurture in you. Then what is an asana? Sthira and Sukha is asana. What is sthira? You have to have some kind of stability. And the stability can be nurtured, can be cultivated. How to develop the stability? When you reduce too many things, automatically stability sets in. When you move from choices to choiceless state, automatically your stability improves and increases. If you start creating more and more choices in your life, then your stability is always destabilized. Please understand this. Your mind stabilizes and there is a sense of satisfaction in that. And in that satisfaction, sukha, a sense of comfort develops in you. And that comfort is the fertile land for all the virtues to grow. If there is no comfort, you will not be able to grow any of these virtues, any of these values. So you have to have some kind of comfort at some level. And what is that zone of comfortability? Satisfaction is the zone of comfortability. What is satisfaction? When you have minimum choices in your life. Please see the beauty of it. We are all suffering. We are getting into the confusions, and the valley of conflict is growing tremendously because of choices in life. Choices in life. If there is no choice, automatically every cell in the body will get adapted to that situation. And there is no confusion. There is no conflict. There is no division of energy. Because there is no choice. So what is an asana? Asana means a state I am going to produce in my mind where I experience stability, I experience stillness, I experience comfort, so that the energy becomes very pleasant, and with that energy I am going to cultivate, I am going to strengthen these pillars in me. If you keep, disturbing yourself with too many choices, too many things, then you are always distracted. Always distracted. Now our desires are like that only, multi-dimensional. Please see this. Now all the desires are channelized, connected with a particular vision, then every desire is going to become a strength to travel further.